If you win the money and get out of here, what's your plan then?
I'd use it to get a house where I could be with my mother first. Then I'd get her mother out of the north.
Hey, with the price that big, you could do a whole lot more than that. Gotta want something else too. Is there anywhere you want to go?
Jeju Island.
Hey, don't you think you should dream bigger, huh? Do Hawaii. Hold on. Go to the Maldives for a while instead. Well, once we're out of here, we'll have a girls' night out and make mojitos and everything, okay?